Pancake Expert. Join me on my journey as I go from pancake novice to pancake expert. For the next year, I will be filming one video per week, delving into the world of pancakes. Today, I'll be talking about a really handy pancake tool from Tovolo called the Yolk Out. I'm really excited to try the yolk out because I'm not the best at breaking and separating eggs, and a lot of recipes call for separating egg whites from egg yolks. So this is supposed to make it much easier to get those yolks and whites separated, and really excited to try this, so let's give it a shot. So I'm gonna try this out with two medium-sized organic eggs that I got from my local grocery store. So what we're gonna do is give it a crack here, as usual. Make sure all the egg white's in there. Move that, and now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the yolk out, make sure all the parts are together, and you're supposed to squeeze, give it a little squeeze, hold it over the egg yolk, and then just release. That was perfect. So now you're just gonna release your egg yolk gently, and there you go. That was wonderful. No mess. Here, it's over. There's no mess, perfectly round little egg yolk. Let's try it again. This is actually a lot of fun. All right, your little crack. And again, you're gonna take it and squeeze it first. Hold it over the egg yolk. Gentle squeeze. And now we're going to release into the bowl. That was seamless. That was great. I love this. I've got a bowl of egg whites, bowl of egg yolks, no cracked little pieces of eggshell. This worked perfectly, and it's actually kind of fun to use. It's fun to squeeze it too. So this was a success. So after giving the yolk out a try, it was a complete success. It was really fun and easy. It's great to have egg yolks and egg whites separated without any little bits of eggshell. And also the egg yolks didn't get ruined or leaked into the egg white, ruining the consistency of either. So I definitely give this product a thumbs up. I will use this whenever my pancake recipes call for separating egg yolks and egg whites. It's really inexpensive too, easy to clean. You just kind of pop out this little guy right here when you're ready and give it a wash and then pop it back in. So again, I recommend this. If you're interested in getting specifications or seeing getting more information about it, I'll have the links down below, and I'm happy this was a success. Thanks for joining me on Pancake Expert. Hope to see you soon on my pancake journey as I go from pancake novice to pancake expert. See you later.